Health food has become an integral part of modern life, a testament to our growing awareness of the intimate connection between what we eat and how we feel. The journey towards embracing health food is not just about changing what's on our plates, but transforming our relationship with food itself. This shift is driven by a desire to nourish our bodies, sustain our environment, and cultivate a lifestyle that prioritizes well-being over convenience. The foundation of health food lies in its simplicity and authenticity. It encourages us to return to basics, to ingredients that are as close to their natural state as possible. Fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats form the cornerstone of a diet that seeks to provide balanced nutrition. These foods are celebrated not just for their nutritional value, but for their ability to invigorate the senses with vibrant colors, diverse textures, and rich flavors. Eating healthily becomes an experience, a feast for both body and soul. One of the most appealing aspects of health food is its versatility. It invites creativity in the kitchen, urging us to experiment with new recipes and cooking techniques. From smoothie bowls bursting with berries and nuts to hearty salads adorned with a rainbow of vegetables, health food can be as exciting as it is nourishing. The process of preparing these meals can be therapeutic, a moment to pause and connect with the ingredients that will fuel our bodies. It is a reminder that cooking is not just a chore, but an act of self-care. Moreover, health food is inherently inclusive, accommodating a wide range of dietary needs and preferences. Whether one is vegan, vegetarian, gluten-free, or simply seeking to reduce processed foods, there is a wealth of options available. This inclusivity fosters a sense of community among those who share a commitment to healthful living. It encourages the exchange of ideas, recipes, and tips, creating a supportive network that transcends individual dietary choices. The benefits of health food extend beyond personal well-being. Choosing sustainably sourced ingredients supports local farmers and reduces our carbon footprint, aligning our dietary habits with a broader environmental consciousness. This connection between health and sustainability underscores the idea that our choices can have a positive impact on the world around us. By opting for organic produce or fair trade products, we contribute to a system that values ethical production and environmental stewardship. Despite its many advantages, the transition to health food can be daunting for some. It challenges us to rethink our habits, to question the convenience of fast food and prepackaged meals. However, this challenge is an opportunity for growth. It prompts us to learn more about nutrition, to become more mindful of our consumption, and to appreciate the effort that goes into preparing wholesome meals. The rewards are manifold: increased energy, improved mood, and a sense of empowerment that comes from making informed choices about our health. Incorporating health food into our lives is not about perfection, but progress. It is about making small, sustainable changes that lead to lasting improvements. It is about listening to our bodies and responding to their needs with kindness and understanding. It is about recognizing that food is not just fuel, but a fundamental part of our identity and culture. Ultimately, health food is a celebration of life. It is a commitment to living fully, to savoring each moment with gratitude and joy. It reminds us that taking care of ourselves is not a luxury, but a necessity, and that every meal is an opportunity to honor that commitment. As we embrace this journey, we discover that health food is not just about what we eat, but about who we are and who we aspire to be.